It just needs some time to start up. That's so cool.
Yes, it is cute. It's doing it.
Nikki
and Didi.
Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel, Nikki and
Didi.
And today we are going to be making snowstorms in a jar. So what you will need is some baby oil, water,
Alka Seltzer,
glitter for fun, the food colouring for fun, sequins for fun, and you'll need white paint and polar bears because polar bears are snow animals. Let's get started. First we're going to put the paint in the water. I'll put some first. Just enough. Now you can put some more. Okay, I think that's enough white paint. Now it's time to mix. So we just need to mix a little bit more and then it should be ready. I think it's perfect. Now take the mixing sticks out and let's pour a little bit in mine first.
mine.
That's so cool the way it just falls. Just gonna add a little bit more. One last one. Okay. Now I'm going to do the same for Didi. It looks like it sank to the bottom. It's just so weird, but when you look at the bottom, there's just bubbles down there. They're popping.
Next we're going to put in some glitter.
Yeah. Next, we're going to put in the food coloring. One drop. There. And then, okay. Next.
Here's the secret. Let's get
Some of the sequins are sinking, some of them are floating.
Yeah.
So cool. So cool if you check on the side. Okay. Now we're going to put in the polar bears. The funnest part is Alka Seltzer mints. You have to put them little bits because that's what makes the snow fizz. Keep the snow coming! That looks so cool, especially the way her polar bear's standing up. Okay, I'm going to drop one. Yeah, that's so cool. I'm going to get some more. That's so cool. Mine's like a blue party.
Mine too.
Oh my goodness, that's so cool. It looks like icicles.
So because that is going up, see, it's happening here on the top. See?
Yeah, wow. Yeah, it's kind of happening.
Yeah.
Mine's full of color. Look at that. Mine's like just a ball of color. Thank
And you can have some.
Thank you for the Alka Seltzer.
Look at this. What? Nikki, it happened again. Look at that! Look at that!
Wow! Oh my goodness! Now the ones on the polar bear's back are going crazy. It just needs some time to start up. That's so cool.
Yes, it is cute. It's doing it.
Do you know what's happened in this experiment? Water is more dense or is heavier than oil, so it sinks to the bottom of the jar. Also, because the white paint and food coloring are water-based, they don't mix with the oil but the water. The Alka Seltzer contains sodium bicarbonate or baking soda and citric acid in it. When the Alka Seltzer mixes with the water, they form bubbles of carbon dioxide, which rises up to the surface through the oil. When the carbon dioxide is released into the air, the remaining water falls back down through the oil. Why? Because water is more dense than oil. The process repeats itself over and over again, hence the snowstorm effect.
Thanks for watching.